If you're still losing money trading, it's probably because no one ever showed you this. In the next 60 seconds, I'm going to break down a simple trick that pros use daily, and once you see it, you'll never trade the same way again. Let's go in today's video. We're re-answering the question, can you really start trading with just $100 and grow it to $10,000? The answer is yes, but not by luck or hype, by strategy. In today's video, I'll break down exactly how to start trading with a small account, and how to build it step by step to reach 10,000. This is perfect for beginners. And I'm going to be real with you. No fluff, just facts. So if you're ready to dive right in, let's get to it. Okay, so let me ask you something. Are you looking to turn $100 into $10,000? Or are you looking to learn a skill that could potentially earn you an extra income forever? Think about that. Starting out with $100, you can't make a huge profit quickly without taking big risks, which doesn't sound like a good plan for building long-term wealth. So when you approach trading with the right mindset, suddenly things start to shift. Instead of thinking of your $100 as the end goal, you start to see it as a tool to learn how to trade. And now you're seeing the bigger picture. So the reality is, you won't become a millionaire overnight. But that's okay, because you're building a valuable skill that can generate income forever. So this is what we gonna cover in this video. We gonna look at what markets you can start trading with $100, the top strategies to use with small accounts, and how to grow your account step by step to 10K. So first up, let's get real. Most people lose money trading because they expect to get rich overnight. You can't flip $100 to $10,000 in a week, unless you were gambling. And we're not here for that. What you can do is build consistent growth over time using risk management, strategy, and discipline. Your $100 is not the goal, it's the tool. You're learning how to build a skill that can generate income forever. Okay, so now that you have the right mindset, let's dive into some practical tips. First up, you need to pick the market you're going to trade. There are many options, and each has its pros and cons. But here are 3 markets where you can realistically start with $100. Forex, crypto, and options trading. All of these markets are available on most trading platforms. But let's dive deeper into each one so you can understand the benefits. 1. Forex. Forex is great for leverage. You can use a small amount of money to control a larger position, increasing your potential profit. Plus, the Forex market is open 24/5, giving you plenty of opportunities to trade. 2. Crypto. Crypto is super volatile, meaning prices can swing wildly, offering big opportunities for profit. However, it's also risky, so be prepared for potential losses. 3. Options trading. Options offer a unique way to profit from price movements without actually owning the asset. But this is a bit more advanced, so only try it if you're comfortable with the risks. Now, don't try to master every market. Pick one to focus on. For this video, I'll use Forex as the example, but the strategies apply to all markets. Next up, we need to talk about strategy. I recommend using a simple strategy like this one. Let me show you. Here's a basic strategy that works well with a small account. Name it your simple trading strategy. Now let's set up the parameters. I prefer the 15 minutes to 1 hour time frame, but adjust to your liking. Add the RSI indicator to identify overbought and oversold conditions. Set it to the default settings. And I also like to add a support and resistance indicator. Next, define your risk per trade. My rule is 1 to 2% of your total account. So with $100, your maximum risk would be $2 per trade. Set your stop loss right below the support level to limit your risk. And your take profit should be around 2 to 3 times the risk. This means if you risk $2, aim to make around $6 per trade. With this strategy, you don't need to take 10 trades a day. Just 2 to 3 high probability setups a week will help you grow your account. So let's see an example. If you spot a key support zone like this one, you can consider entering a trade. Next, check if the RSI is oversold, indicating a potential reversal. If both conditions are met, you can enter the trade with a small lot size. Set your stop loss just below the support and set your take profit at a 2 to 3 risk to reward ratio. Easy profit. But wait, we're not done yet. We need to talk about compound growth. Here's the cool part. Let's say you consistently grow your account by just 5% per week. That's pretty slow and steady. Here's how your account would grow over time. $100 to $150 to $300 to $500 to $1,000 and so on. By month 6 to 12, you're reaching serious numbers. Not because you YOLO'd, but because you stacked consistent wins. Here's the catch. As you grow your account, keep reinvesting the profits to increase your capital. This way you're compounding your gains and snowballing your growth. It might take a while to reach $10,000, but when you get there, you'll have a healthy account built on solid skills. Alright, we're getting close to the finish line. Now let's talk about risk management. Here are my top rules to follow. No. 1. Never risk more than 2% per trade. No. 2. Always use a stop loss. No. 3. Don't revenge trade. If you have a losing streak, take a break and come back with a clear head. No. 4. Journal every trade. Write down what worked and what didn't. This way you can learn from your mistakes and improve over time. Here's the deal. Most traders blow their accounts not because of bad setups, but because they break their own rules. So follow these guidelines and protect your hard-earned money. Finally, let's discuss the tools you need to get started. Here are my top picks. For brokers, I recommend using a regulated broker with low spreads to maximize your profits. For platforms, use MetaTrader 4 or 5 or TradingView to execute your trades. For education, watch real-time trades and follow verified mentors to learn from the best. And before going live, practice on a demo account to test your strategy and gain confidence. Alright, we made it to the finish line. Let me leave you with this. Turning $100 into $10,000 is 100% possible, but only if you treat trading like a business, not a lottery. Stick to your strategy, manage your risk, and keep learning. Remember, it's not about the destination, it's about the journey. So enjoy the ride, embrace the challenges, and celebrate your wins along the way. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and drop a comment saying, "I'm ready to trade." It's a simple way to show your support and let us know you're benefiting from our content. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll be dropping live trades, tutorials, and full breakdowns every week. It's free and a great way to stay updated with everything trading. So thanks for watching and happy trading.